Hello everybody, I'm just going to show you how to use Sketchpad app for your digital zine. So the first thing I'm actually going to go to is I'm going to go to New. I'm actually going to scroll all the way to the top and select the size of screen just so I have a nice big piece, and then click Create. That's just going to give me a lot of room to work with. Now I'm going to zoom out so I have a large canvas to work with. And the first thing I'm going to do is go to the fourth tool down. You might not have the same shape as me. I have a rectangle because that's the last shape I used in this tool. But if you don't, go ahead and click on that shape and get rectangle. You're going to turn the fill off by putting turning that little teardrop off, but keep the outline fill on. Then what you will do is take your rectangle, drag it, and make one. And then you can keep dragging the rectangles if you want. You're going to need 8. Or another feature that you can do is go in here, the layers, click duplicate. And then you can drag your layers down here. Okay. Now something that's also pretty cool is that I can take the mouse, which it already automatically moved my tool to select, but if it didn't, click select, then drag your mouse and highlight it. You can go to the layers and click duplicate again, or you can do Command C and then Command V. And it'll make a copy of the squares. So I'm just Command Ving on my computer so I can get the same squares right here. Okay. Now I have this empty zone over here. I usually call this my gutter zone. That's area for me to draw. So say I didn't do the digital example, I did the other zine example, but for my example, I drew a coffee cup. So if I was going to draw my coffee cup again and I was going to do it for form, right? I was really looking to see that the coffee cup was drawn realistically, right? A form of a coffee cup is similar to a cylinder. So I was really paying attention to the actual form of this. Okay. And then I knew my coffee cup goes down a little bit. Ooh, that line, I'm not a big fan of it. So what I would do is just delete it. Reminder that every time you click in here, you're going to go back to selection tool. I'm going to click my pencil again. When you click the eraser tool, remember that it actually will erase the background, so you're better off going through your layers. Okay. So here's my coffee cup. I am trying to show that it's a cylinder. And I understand that the mouse pad does move. So I understand that this is a little hard. But hey, practice makes perfect. We will become experts at digital media. That's something I have been working on currently myself. And then I'm going to show that there's a little bit of a shadow over here in my coffee cup to help show this form. And then I can even add some shading in here. But what we notice is that all these pencil marks are now part of my coffee cup. So what I'm going to do is click the select tool. I'm going to hold down, highlight my coffee cup, and then I can drag it right into this box. So then I can even make it smaller so it fits right in here. And there's my first example. Click out of there. And this one was for form. So if I wanted to add the text, I can play with the text on my font. I really like this one. Okay. And we're going to put the text right here. Form. Going to make it smaller, and it's going to fit right in my box. So I'm trying to move it. It won't move because I'm in the text box, the text layers. So I'm going to go to select, and then I can move it. Okay, so this is how you're going to be creating your zines. A reminder that the 8th one is a free choice. For mine, I drew my cup kind of like the logo of Starbucks on a tabletop. Okay, now this zone, when you are all done with your artwork, you're going to go to the crop tool, and you are going to crop your work so it is just your zine. Okay, I highlighted it, then cropped, and then you double click to crop, or you can press enter. And now this is my new artwork. I would click export down as a PDF or a JPEG, and then I will be uploading it to Google Classroom. That's how you would be doing your digital zine. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to email us or ask during our class time. Okay? Hope you're having you enjoy this program. Add as much creativity as you can. If you have any questions, again, feel free to ask. Have a great day.